Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Is here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Pringles, snack-sized Pringles can into a jewelry and scrunchie holder, or like a rubber band holder. So let's get started. So basically, the top part inside, once you're done with your Pringles, you want to wash it out, of course, so I washed it out. And you can just put your jewelry in it. So I just have this jewelry here. It's just some bracelets and some just hair ties, and you could just put it all in the middle. So just building the middle part. So you put it all in the middle, put some like bobby pins or anything. And then for the outside, you can just start hooking scrunchies onto it. So you just start from the bottom, or like rubber bands. I'm using scrunchies because I have a lot of scrunchies and I want to hold all of it. So I'm just going. And if it gets to the top, then you could just start layering over. So this is about how it is right now, but then you can get your other scrunchies and just put them over. So this is a really full thing. So you can also use this for like traveling. I think that's a good example, like to preserve space. Or like if you needed a scrunchie holder and you could put like Pringles in the middle, so like you could have like a little snack thing. So I just want to show you this as a little craft or idea you can do, and it's also a pretty good decoration. And you can like paint the top of the lid and like label what is inside of it. So I just want to show you this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.